Have you ever wanted to display live tweets or a specific post from Twitter right on your WordPress website? Whether it's for sharing updates, showcasing testimonials, or highlighting trending content, integrating Twitter into your site is much easier than you might think. Let's walk through how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open your WordPress dashboard and create a new page or post, or if you prefer, edit an existing one. Once you're in the editor, click on the Add Block button, which looks like a little plus sign. In the search bar that appears, type Twitter. You'll see a block specifically for embedding tweets. Go ahead and select that. Next, open Twitter, or X, and find the tweet you want to show on your website. Copy the tweet's URL directly from your browser's address bar. Then, go back to your WordPress editor, paste that URL into the Twitter block, and click Embed. In just a moment, the tweet will appear exactly as it does on Twitter, complete with images, links, and even engagement options. You can drag the block up or down to adjust its position on the page, and when you're happy with how it looks, simply save or publish your page or post. And that's it. You've just integrated Twitter into your WordPress website. No coding, no plugins, just a clean built-in feature. If you've found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more ways to make your website interactive and dynamic. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.